OD grinding, also known as outside diameter grinding, is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of a grinding wheel to remove material from the outer diameter of a cylindrical object. This process is commonly used to achieve tight tolerances and improve the surface finish of parts that require precise dimensions. OD grinding can be performed on a variety of materials, including metals, plastics, and ceramics, and is often used in the production of components for the aerospace, automotive, and medical industries. The OD grinding process involves mounting the workpiece on a center or chuck and rotating it while a grinding wheel is fed into the outer diameter of the part. The grinding wheel removes material from the part until the desired dimensions and surface finish are achieved. OD grinding can be performed using a variety of grinding wheel types, including conventional abrasive wheels, diamond wheels, and CBN, cubic boron nitride, wheels, depending on the material being ground and the desired finish. Berkness Company, a manufacturing company based in Kansas City, Missouri, offers OD grinding services as part of their comprehensive range of machining and fabrication services. With over 60 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has the expertise and equipment necessary to provide high-quality OD grinding services to customers in a variety of industries. Their team of skilled machinists and engineers work closely with customers to understand their specific needs and requirements, and develop customized solutions to meet their unique challenges. If you are interested in learning more about OD grinding and how it can benefit your manufacturing operations, Berkness Company invites you to visit their Contact Us page on their website. Their team is always available to answer any questions you may have and provide you with more information about their services. With their commitment to quality, precision, and customer satisfaction, Berkness Company is the ideal partner for all your machining and fabrication needs. FAQs. 1. What is OD grinding and how does it work in manufacturing? OD grinding, or outside diameter grinding, is a machining process used to grind the outer surface of a cylindrical workpiece. The process involves using a grinding wheel to remove material from the workpiece until the desired shape and size are achieved. OD grinding is commonly used in manufacturing to produce precision parts with tight tolerances, such as shafts, bearings, and gears. 2. What are the benefits of OD grinding in manufacturing? OD grinding offers several benefits in manufacturing, including the ability to produce parts with high precision and accuracy, improved surface finish, and the ability to grind a wide range of materials. Additionally, OD grinding can be used to produce parts with complex shapes and contours, making it a versatile machining process. 3. What are some common applications of OD grinding in manufacturing? OD grinding is used in a variety of manufacturing applications, including aerospace, automotive, medical, and industrial manufacturing. Some common applications include grinding engine components, hydraulic cylinders, and precision bearings. OD grinding is also used in the production of tools and dies, as well as in the manufacturing of parts for the oil and gas industry. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.